This event was planned and conceived about a year ago, that we would bring this Congress to this campus. And it wouldn't really have been possible without the help and support of Vijay Soreng here, who was then the principal before he went on leave. And everything was done with his collaboration. So we acknowledge his contribution to actually inviting us here and having us over here. So for those of you who do not know, Vijay Soreng is a social worker, social work teacher in this college right from its inception. He's also well known in the region for his active engagement with the Kharya community and other socio-cultural issues of Adivasis in this region. He has a wide range of experiences and contribution for the upliftment of the Adivasis in this region. And we really, really thank him for his commitment to continuing and hosting us in this place. So we welcome him to share some of his thoughts with us at this moment. Vijay Soreng, please.
Chairperson Ruby Hamra, dignitaries on the dais, and dear students. Preamble of the Indian Constitution says, we the people of India having constituted India into a sovereign, socialist, secular and democratic republic. So in the preamble it is written in the very beginning phases, we the people of India having solemnly constitute India a sovereign, secular, democratic republic. So it is written, we the people of India. This is not the country of any particular person or any leaders. This is not a land of Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Subhash Bose or anybody. This is not the land of any political party, either Congress or BJP or any other party. This is not the country of only the elite mass, rich mass or Jamindar class. This is the country of all the people of India. So here in India right now, 125 crore people are living, and for them different type of administration system is there. To my knowledge, 4 type of administration is there. One is general administration for the people of India, and second is special provision for Jammu and Kashmir, because Jammu and Kashmir is bit of exception. Okay, next is Northeast. So that is administered by 6th schedule of Indian Constitution, and the middle part we are having around 9 states. They are coming under 5th schedule. So administration should be in 4 different categories: general, Jammu Kashmir area, Northeast area, and between we are having 5th schedule area. So here in India, many tribal people are there. Around 10 crore and above people are there, because they constitute 10% of the Indian population, means 10 crore and above Indian tribal people are there. But if we see right now, they are marginalized not only in Odisha but different part of India. In news always you see varieties of problems of Adivasis or indigenous people or tribal people. In middle, Chhattisgarh is there, Bihar is there, this side Andhra Pradesh is there, again Odisha. Mao problem is there, and somewhere else unnecessarily tribal people, indigenous people are termed as Maoवादी. Yes, Maoवादी problem may be there, but unnecessarily in different places they are harassed. Sundargarh district is one of the scheduled district of Odisha. In Odisha, 6 scheduled districts are there, and Sundargarh is one of it. Right now, according to 2011 census, 50.70 tribal populations are there. More than 10 lakh Adivasi people are staying here. But you see here, they are having varieties of problems. By taking land, they are having problem. Migration problem is there. They are going to, our boys and girls are going to different places for looking for a maid servant work activity, and they are going to go out for fishing and everything. Variety of problems are there. And here, right now some panchayat raj system are there. Top to bottom, bottom to top, bottom to top, top to bottom. Adivasi leaders are there. But still now, Adivasis are marginalized. They are not getting the justice here. Variety of problems are there. Always you can see variety of agitation by the leaders, by the activists. So by taking land, problem is there, industrializations are there, and pollution is there, and variety of problems are there. Recently, Rourkela is declared as Mahanagar by taking 2 scheduled area. They are opposing a lot. This is our scheduled area panchayat, but they have included that whole area and they have declared it as Mahanagar. So that is injustice. So here, we have come here through Tribal Intellectual Collective of India. So, in this forum definitely we'll analyze different problems of India. First Congress was there in Northeast and second here in Bihavan. So we'll analyze the problems of Adivasis across the country, and somewhere else, wherever we are making venue, we have to analyze the problem of local area also. So through this forum, we have to analyze in detail about the problems and issues of the Adivasi. So here, 3 days workshop is there. Today input session will be there, and tomorrow and day after tomorrow some input may be there or outing may be there. But we have to participate very actively here in this session so that we can have fruitful result from it. So I request all of you to participate very actively so that our issues will be reflected here. Next, I want to say that documentation, write-up, that all are the main thing. In field, in different congress or a different program, our leaders, they give bhasan, they give a lot of input, but there is nothing documented as such. Our whatever materials are there, that is documented long before. People have given definition about the Adivasi lifestyle, Adivasi issue and everything. But we have to document our issue, our problem. So here documentation, that is the main thing. And in future, that will be a reference point, that will be a document for us so that we can refer it. So writing habit is very good habit for the scholars, for the students, and we have to write and we have to write and we have to write. So I think in this forum we have to have, we'll be presenting, and here around 20 plus presentation will be there, and that will be written. So that will be documented, and in future we'll refer that. So books are there, and yesterday Madam Hemaram brought some book that is edited by Bodhi sir and others. So beautiful articles are written there. So we have to grow through. So similarly, in future, we can produce many articles, books, where we can refer in future for the things. So I appreciate Travel Intellectual Collective India for taking this effort and making here at venue. Thank you very much.